Alright, so on to step 4 of the lab. Looks like we're going to have to be reattaching the rheostat. Just wait for that to warm up. Okay, that should be good to go. Let's just plug it in. Alright, so voltage out range. Let's see. Go to 1.27 volts to 13.262 volts. All right, now adjust it to 10 volts. .03 volts. Okay, so now we're going to measure the ripple voltage. So we need the scope. Now let's keep it on AC so we can get a more accurate reading. Zero it out. Let's ground it. And the output voltage is right here. All right, so see if we can so that's that's pretty good. Let's see, so let's see what we're supposed to write down here. Okay, so it doesn't really show us taking note of anything, but we do see a ripple voltage here. See what it is. It's about 7 millivolts, and then we got a cycle of about 6 or 7 milliseconds. All right, so let's go on to the next one. With this, we're gonna have to attach a load to it. Let's see. So V out with, well, I guess we don't need the scope right now. Well, let's see. Oh, I guess let's keep it up here because we're going to need it in a second. Okay. So we had a pretty good voltage drop, 8.63 volts. All right, and current. $19 milliamps. All right, now let's look at the ripple over here. with a load, it's significantly less. Let's see. Yeah, I don't see really any ripple, but I bet it's there. You just can't see with the scope. Okay. Okay. Ah, no. That was ripple output. We need ripple input. Two different things. So this is actually our input right here. Wow. All right. Let's see. That is far better. So we're getting quite a bit. So ripple in is approximately, let's see if I can make it easier on myself. It's about 2 volts, maybe 2.1 volts. 2.2 volts. Let's just say 2.2 volts. And, well, let me make sure about that. Yeah, about 2.2 volts. Okay. And then V ripple out is approximately 0 volts. So, and then this is calculation. We're not going to do calculations. And okay, we're done with the scope. Okay, now we're going to replace the load resistor with this that 1.6 kilo ohm resistor, wherever that ended up. No. Yep, there it is. So we're going to replace this. With that. And then measure the voltage. .94 volts. All right, now current again. Six milliamps. Okay, so another short circuit test. We're going to remove the load resistor, and we're just going to give it a full load and see what happens. I bet this one's protected too, but I kind of hope it's not, because that's more interesting. Short it out for 2 seconds. Undo it. And measure the voltage. $10. Let's do it again for fun. $10. All right. Looks like that's it for step 4.